Hello everyone, this is Sunil and in this video I'm gonna talk about communication skills. So whether you struggle to get your points across or you just want to brush up on a few pointers, here are 11 ways to be a better communicator. So let's get started. Number 1. Learn to listen. Active listening is the basis of all good communication. If you aren't paying attention to what others are saying, there is no way you will be able to respond effectively. Focus on what your conversation partner is saying, and if necessary, repeat it mentally to make sure you understand the points they are making. Number 2. Pay attention to body language. Pay attention to your conversation partner's body language. Are they standing still, yawning, or smiling? Pay attention to your own body language as well. If your words show confidence but your body language expresses nervousness, your conversation partner will pick up on that. It's important for both to read others' body language and to pay attention to your own stance. Number 3. Observe how others communicate in different contexts. It is important to understand your audience. If you are giving a presentation at work, study how others do it, or watch videos of famous lectures by academics, business people, or professionals in your field. If you are nervous about how to act at a networking event or party, take cues from the people around you. Number 4. Don't be afraid of a bit of silence. Occasional lapses in conversation are natural, so don't sweat it if conversation lags. Plus, letting pauses occur naturally is a good way to make sure you're not interrupting anyone's train of thought. Number 5. Use action verbs and confident language. Even if you are not feeling confident, you can still sound confident. One good trick is avoiding filler words like and by slowing down your speech a bit. Number 6. Ask questions. Ask clarifying questions. It will ensure you understand what your conversation partner is saying and show that you are paying attention. Number 7. Find common ground even in an argument. Finding a shared interest or opinion with your conversation partner is always a great strategy. It will make the conversation more enjoyable for both of you as well as show your conversation partner that you have got something in common. But finding common ground in an argument can be just as important. If you disagree with someone, try to find a related point that you do agree with. It will show you are trying to understand their point of view. Number 8. Be prepared and know what you are talking about. Knowing your subject matter will put you at ease and make it easier to communicate your ideas to others. If you are preparing for a job interview, make sure you are familiar with the position and the company. If you are giving a presentation, know your stuff. Number 9. If you want to subtly change the subject, find a verbal bridge. We all occasionally end up in a conversation that's not going in a direction we like. Finding a polite way to change the subject can be tough, but one good trick is finding a bridge. This can mean finding a topic somewhere in between the current one and the one you're interested in, or involve using a more general phrase that will help you shift the topic. For instance, phrases like yes, but, what I can tell you is, or the important thing to remember is, all let you subtly shift the focus. Number 10. Find the best way to frame your story. Whether you're giving a lecture or telling your friend a funny story, it's important to figure out how to frame it to make it interesting and engaging. Identify your hook. What makes your story interesting? Why would others care about it? And pick a framing device. Are you taking your listener on a journey, explaining a theory, or making an argument for something? It's important to clearly define early on where your story is going. Number 11. Relax. Though it's important to be self aware during an important or stressful conversation, ultimately, one of the most effective communication strategies is just relaxing and acting like you would normally, while of course remaining professional. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If there's a topic you want me to cover in the next video, please mention below, and I will also love to know what you learned today or what changes will you make after watching this video. Please comment below and I will join in the discussion. Thank you once again. This is Sunil Shinde signing off.